Hi! Welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to report someone in Discord. Previously, reporting involved navigating through the website, but now it's easier by hovering over a More option appears. Clicking this reveals a report message feature. You can then choose the reason for the report, like spam, abuse or harassment, harmful misinformation, exposing private identifying information, and other options here. And then, click on Submit Report. After submitting the report, Discord might prompt you to block the user or continue seeing their messages. This method works on both desktop and mobile. Process also works through right-clicking on usernames, and as an admin, additional options like banning are available. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!